Shoe. Shoe. Shoe was like this line. Mom, leave early. Early for work. Look the house before school. Another day. Hmm? Where are she go? Hey, guess I go check on shoe instead. Almost there. Almost there. Shoe. Blow your something. You like tea, huh? Yes. Click. Here, take this. I want take it. Peace is important. Peace important. Sorry. She is something is all. We don't have text it. This kid. Back to the world. Melinda Academy. First day. Next stop. Melinda Academy. The ladies know is author.